Hello and welcome you all. Today in this video we'll do some more questions which are based on applications of matrices and determinants. Students, our first question for today is determine the product -4, 4, 4, -7, 1, 3, 5, -3, -1 into 1, -1, 1, 1, -2, 2, 2, 1, 3 and use it to solve the system of equations which are x minus y plus z is equal to 4, x minus 2y minus 2z is equal to 9 and 2x plus y plus 3z is equal to 1. So according to our question, first we will multiply two matrices. So as you can see that the first one I have represented it with A and the second one I have represented it with B. So when we multiply both these matrices, so you know how to multiply 3 by 3 order square matrix. So first we will take all the elements of row R1 of matrix A and we will multiply it with all the elements of column C1 of our matrix B. So therefore we get -4 into 1 -4 and then 4 into 1 +4 and then plus 4 into 2 is +8. And now we will multiply all the elements of row R1 of A matrix with all the elements of column C2 of B matrix. So we get -4 into -1 +4 and then +4 into -2 is -8 and then 4 into 1 is +4. And now we will multiply all the elements of row R1 of our matrix A with all the elements of column C3 of our matrix B. We get -4 into 1 -4 and then 4 into -2 is -8 and then 4 into 3 is +12. And now we will take all the elements of row R2 of our matrix A and multiply it with all the elements of column C1 of our matrix B. So student, we get -7 into 1 -7 and then +1 into 1 +1 and then 3 into 2 is +6. And now we will multiply all the elements of second row of our matrix A with all the elements of column C2 of our matrix B. So from here we get -7 into -1, 7, and then 1 into -2 is -2, and then 3 into 1 is +3. And now we will multiply all the elements of row R3 of our matrix A with all the elements of column C1 of our matrix B. So we get 5 into 1, 5, and then -3 into 1 is -3, and then -1 into 2 is -2. And now when we multiply 5, -3 and -1 with all the elements of column C2 of our matrix B, we get 5 into -1, -5, and then -3 into -2 is +6, and then -1 into 1 is -1. And now we will multiply all the elements of row R3 of our matrix A with all the elements of column C3. We get 5 into 1, 5, and then -3 into -2 is +6, and then -1 into 3 is -3. So student, when we multiply both the two matrices, we get 8, 0, 0, 0, 8, 0, and 0, 0, 8. So when we take 8 as common from here, we get 8 into I. Here I is identity matrix of 3 by 3 order. So now, since the product of AB is equal to 8 into I, so from here, when we post multiply by B inverse on both sides, as you can see that here AB into B inverse is equal to 8 into I B inverse. So from here, we know that in LHS, B into B inverse is I. So we get A is equal to 8 into B inverse. So from here, B inverse is equal to A upon 8. And now we'll take our system of equations, and so we can write it as by taking the coefficients of x, y, and z. So we get 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, 2, 1, 3 into x, y, z, and this is equal to 4, 9, and 1. So as you can see that all the elements of our system of equation, which is 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 2, and 2, 1, 3, is the elements of B. So we can write it as B into X, and this is equal to C. So from here, X is equal to B inverse C. And we know that B inverse is equal to A upon 8. So from here, when we put the value of B inverse, so we get 1 upon 8 into A matrix, which is -4, 4, 4, -7, 1, 3, and 5, -3, -1, into C matrix, which is 4, 9, and 1. So from here, when we multiply all the elements of row R1, which are -4, 4, and 4, with 4, 9, and 1, we get -4 into 4, -16, and then 4 into 9 is +36, and then 4 into 1 is +4. Similarly, now we'll multiply all the elements of row R2, which are -7, 1, 3, into 4, 9, and 1. So we get minus 7, into 4 minus 28, and then 9 into 1 is plus 9, and then 3 into 1 is plus 3. And now we'll multiply all the elements of row R3, which are 5 minus 3 minus 1, with 4, 9 and 1. We get 5 into 4, 20, and minus 3 into 9 is minus 27, and then minus 1 into 1 is minus of 1. So from here we get x is equal to 1 upon 8, and in matrix we get 24, minus 16 and minus of 8. So here when we divide all the elements of our matrix with 8, we get x is equal to 24 upon 8, which is 3, and then y is equal to minus 16 upon 8. So we get minus of 2, and z is equal to minus 8 upon 8, which is minus of 1. Therefore student, x is equal to 3, y is equal to minus 2, and z is equal to minus of 1. And now practice this below question mentioned on your screen and submit me the solution. So this is the end of this video. Thank you so much and have a great day ahead.